This is not marketing.
No!
Prepare for real life.
Hi, I'm Susan, and I came to AMA Skincare when I found out one of the treatments that you guys provided was stem cell treatment. I have had a lifelong battle with bad knees due to a hereditary lack of cartilage. It started out with my right knee when I was young, popping out a joint, losing more cartilage, then my left knee took over. So I had problems lifelong really with both of my knees. When I found out that you guys also did the stem cell, that of course heightened my curiosity as I've been working with an orthopedic for years, and my next step was knee replacement for both knees. So I had nothing to lose except maybe a little bit of cash in trying to see if the stem cell was more helpful than what I had been doing for years at this point. And what I liked about it was the fact that you guys were using umbilical stem cells. The other places I had talked to were going to be taking stem cells from me. And I thought, well, based on my understanding, I'm not going to have as many, being that I'm over 50. And so I liked the idea of umbilical stem cell. So the treatment that I had consisted of sort of like two steps, right? They drew blood and mixed the stem cells with my own blood to create, she kind of described it like a nest that they end up injecting back into the joint, right? And then after she injected that, then she injected ozone. And I've been having those done quarterly since, so I've had 3 of them done now. And what I notice afterward is the improvement sensations, like comfort, less swelling, more flexibility, more comfort where the knee is really having to be used, just keeps kind of increasing. And so I think it's worth it and a good match to have the two together. It's definitely added, I think, to the benefit that the stem cells are able to kind of keep working and do whatever they're going to do in there. And again, you walk in, do it, walk out. It's not painful, and you walk out and go about your daily life. And then sure enough, after, I'd say 3 or 4 weeks, I started noticing changes. I practice yoga, and I am a Western horseback rider. I compete, I work cows, so there's some abrupt movements on my horse. First time I noticed it, I had to get off my horse for whatever reason, and didn't have a mounting block nearby, so I was just gonna have to mount off the ground. And it didn't hurt. I didn't feel like my knee was gonna blow out. That was my first indicator that, oh, well, that's new. And from there, it's just done nothing but gotten better. So I'm very comfortable now mounting off the ground. I don't have pain. I don't have any shearing. I've noticed that I've regained strength. It's improved yoga as well, because some of the poses were very difficult. If there was any deep bending, my knees wouldn't bend. They were always swollen to the point that I was having to take a prescription anti-inflammatory on a daily basis. I want to say about 6 months, 7 months in, stopped taking the medication. I don't even take Advil now. I need nothing. I haven't experienced that in probably close to 10 years. So the results have been short of life-giving as far as my needs are concerned, and I don't even see surgery on my horizon right now. It's fantastic. So it's been wonderful. I'll do this again before I go considering surgery.